In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Hostinger email. This process is straightforward, and in just a few steps, you'll have a professional looking signature ready to enhance your email communication. First, let's head over to the Hostinger website. Once you've accessed the site, you'll want to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, look for the email section within your H panel. Click on this tab and you'll be directed to the email dashboard where you can manage all your email accounts. Next, find the Manage button. Clicking on Manage will take you to a place where you can organize various settings related to your email accounts. Here, you'll want to focus on the Mailboxes section, which is where your email identities and settings are stored. Now that you're in the right area, click on Webmail. This will open the web-based email client where you can personalize your email account. Within Webmail, locate the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings will give you access to the control panel for managing your email account's advanced features. Within the Settings tab, look for Identities. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage how your email appears to recipients. Here you'll find a list of your available identities. Click on your identity to proceed. With your identity open, look for the Signature section. The signature is where you can add personalized text and, of course, your logo. In the signature section, you'll see an icon that looks like an image. Click this to begin the process of inserting your logo. This icon is your gateway to embedding images directly into your email signature. After you click the image icon, a small window might appear, prompting you to either upload your logo directly from your computer or possibly paste a URL if your logo is already online. Once you select the logo you want to use, confirm the upload. It's a good idea to ensure the logo is not too large to keep the email signature clean and professional. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Usually there's a save button at the bottom of the page or section. Once saved, your logo will be embedded in your email signature, ready to be sent out with every email you compose. This not only reinforces your brand identity, but also adds a layer of professionalism to all of your communications. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your Hostinger email. As you continue to enhance your email settings, remember that personalized touches like this can significantly impact how your emails are received and perceived. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed it or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.